Okay, RM October, end of October, we got King Kong to show you. I got a couple of them. One's a thin one, and one's a double box set. The picture's a little bit different, so I think doubles like this I don't mind keeping. They can be expensive online. A booklet of some kind. A little bit different stuff in each one, I guess. Different booklet. Oh, an extra CD. Didn't see that. So this one's 3 CDs. Okay. That was 2. That's why sometimes multiple is okay. Sometimes it's not. Because I just got rid of at least 10 copies of various movies I had. Because I'm going to be getting back into movies now. Take a closer look. King Kong, I think online is about 15 bucks, 10 bucks. So it's affordable to buy even at 10 bucks, but I could pick a couple items locally, so I don't have to. Except for most of the horror stuff. I'll have to find them online. I'll be adding quite a bit. Next year, I'll be expanding my movies till I pay off my loan I picked up for CDs. I'm not doing another loan. I thought about doing another one for Cintiq. Cintiq will run easy 600 to 800 bucks, but that's a lot of money for me. This first loan's taking me a while to pay back, but this month I'll be halfway through, so I'm looking okay. King Kong's awesome movie. You don't have to know everything about the movie or have everything that they sell. It's like anything collecting. You don't want to do one thing. It's kind of stupid and boring just to do one thing. Like if you're doing statues and figures and displays and it's all you do, and that's maybe what you like, but you need to have more money, more supplies. These big statues and figures of movies, they cost 600 bucks, 800 bucks, and they get pretty expensive. So boxes, I don't do them too big either. Like I've seen people buying boxes that big, but you're just like wasting 500 bucks, 400 bucks, 300 bucks on a box. Unless it's a movie you really want and you have money to blow, then you could go that way, but this is probably some of the bigger boxes I buy, unless they're TV shows. Some TV shows are pretty expensive too, like Doctor Who, Star Wars a little bit, but they got a lot of junk out there too, so. This, I gotta keep my budget in check right now, so I can't do a whole lot for probably a couple months. And I can start buying more of the action figures I want to get. I don't need a whole lot of them. Might get a couple of King Kong posters even, who knows. So I want to probably get into more action, like karate, some comedy stuff, not just horror. This is a King Kong unboxing review. They're both box sets, but they're both a little bit different. So, pretty cool to have though. If you pick them up locally, then you pay like $5, but online they're like 10, 15 bucks. Box sets like this you usually go for like 20 bucks. You see, they're pretty heavy on shipping. Single movie, I think they're around 10 bucks, sometimes 15 bucks, sometimes. That's not too bad. It's gonna be within my budget to get a couple during the month till I pay my loan back. Then I'm not getting another one. It's one time and that's it. And this is why I do one more for Cintiq, but I don't know. That's really expensive and gonna be a lot more difficult to pay. So hopefully you're adding good stuff to your collection, and let me know what you're adding. Toys, action figures, statues, maquettes, masks, whatever. I don't know about all that stuff yet, but I might get into some posters eventually, so thanks for watching.